Hey everyone, welcome back to Art2. In today's video, I want to share with you the story of a girl who started uploading her designs to Society6 and went from making just a few dollars a day to over $1,000 a month by following some simple tips to drive sales to her designs. If you're someone who's interested in making money from your artwork, or just curious to know how to grow your income on Society6, then this video is for you. Before we get started, if you're new to my channel, I'm a full-time artist and content creator, and this channel helps artists to sell their art online. On this channel, I share tips and tricks for artists who want to grow their business and make a living from their passion. If you're interested in that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, let's dive into the story of our girl, who we'll call Anna for the sake of this video. Anna was always passionate about art and design, and she loved creating beautiful illustrations and patterns that could be used on various products. One day, she stumbled upon Society6, a platform that allows artists to upload their designs and sell them as prints, home decor, clothing, phone cases, and more. Excited by the prospect of making money from her artwork, Anna started uploading her designs to Society6. However, at first, she didn't get many sales. She was making just a few dollars a day, and it seemed like her designs were not reaching the right audience. Anna knew she had to do something to drive more sales to her designs, so she started researching and experimenting with different strategies. In this video, I'll share with you the tips that helped Anna grow her income on Society6 and go from making just a few dollars a day to over $1,000 a month. Tip number 1. Create designs that are in demand. The first tip is to create designs that are in demand. Society6 has a vast library of designs, so it's essential to create something that stands out from the crowd. One way to do this is to research the current trends in the market and create designs that fit those trends. For example, if you see that floral designs are popular right now, create your own unique floral patterns that stand out. You can also check out the Society6 homepage and see what designs are featured there. This can give you an idea of what Society6 is currently promoting and what kind of designs are trending on the platform. Another way to create designs that are in demand is to look at what's popular on other platforms like Pinterest and Instagram. These platforms can give you an idea of what people are interested in and what kind of designs are getting the most engagement. Tip number 2. Use high-quality images. The second tip is to use high-quality images. When someone is browsing through Society6, they will only see a small preview of your design, so it's essential to use high-quality images that will catch the viewer's attention and make them want to click on your design. Make sure that your images are at least 6,500 by 6,500 pixels, and they have a resolution of 300 dpi. This will ensure that your design looks sharp and clear, even when it's enlarged. If you're not a professional photographer or don't have access to a high-end camera, don't worry. You can use your smartphone to take photos of your artwork. Just make sure that you have good lighting and that the image is in focus. Tip number 3. Optimize your titles and tags. The third tip is to optimize your titles and tags. When you upload a design to Society6, you will need to give it a title and add tags that describe the design. This is how people will find your design when they search for something specific on the platform. Make sure that your title is descriptive and includes relevant keywords. For example, if your design is a floral pattern, make sure that the word floral is in the title. This will help your design show up when someone searches for floral patterns on Society6. When it comes to tags, make sure that you use as many relevant tags as possible. This will increase the chances of your design showing up in search results. For example, if your design is a floral pattern with pink flowers, make sure that you use tags like floral, pink, flowers, pattern, and so on. Tip number 4. Promote your designs on social media. The fourth tip is to promote your designs on social media. Social media is a great way to drive traffic to your Society6 store and get more eyes on your designs. Create a social media account specifically for your art and start sharing your designs on there. Use relevant hashtags to make it easier for people to find your work. You can also join art and design communities on social media and share your work there. Another great way to promote your designs on social media is to collaborate with other artists and designers. You can collaborate on a design together and promote it on both of your social media accounts. This will help you reach a wider audience and get more sales. Tip number 5. Offer discounts and promotions. The fifth tip is to offer discounts and promotions. Everyone loves a good deal, so offering a discount or promotion can entice people to purchase your designs. You can offer a percentage off the total price. Make sure that you promote your discount or promotion on your social media accounts and your Society6 store. You can also offer discounts and promotions to repeat customers to encourage them to come back and purchase more of your designs. Tip number 6. Interact with your customers. The sixth tip is to interact with your customers. When someone purchases one of your designs, make sure that you thank them and ask them for feedback. This will show your customers that you care about their satisfaction and that you're dedicated to providing high-quality products. You can also ask your customers to leave a review on your Society6 store. This will help build trust with potential customers and increase your sales. Interacting with your customers can also help you improve your designs. If someone gives you constructive feedback, take it into consideration and use it to improve your future designs. Tip number 7, keep adding new designs. The 7th and final tip is to keep adding new designs. Society6 rewards artists who are active on the platform and consistently upload new designs. So make sure that you're regularly uploading new designs to your store. This doesn't mean that you need to create a new design every day, but aim to upload at least one new design a week. This will keep your store fresh and give people a reason to come back and check out your new designs. And that's it. Those are the 7 tips that helped Anna go from making just a few dollars a day to over $1,000 a month on Society6. To recap, the tips are: create designs that are in demand, use high-quality images, optimize your titles and tags, promote your designs on social media, offer discounts and promotions, interact with your customers, keep adding new designs. If you're an artist who is interested in making money from your artwork, I hope that these tips were helpful to you. Remember, growing your income on Society6 takes time and effort. If you enjoyed today's video and have not already subscribed, do it now so you know when the next video is uploaded. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to join us for the next video.